Good morning. Happy Monday, though you guys don't know it's Monday. And I'm sharing with you guys another what I eat in a day today. And today's video is sponsored by IHerb, which we will get into in a few minutes after breakfast. But first, I am hungry. All I've had this morning is my normal black coffee. I do an organic dark roast. I make it in my yummy French press, as we can see. We still got more coffee, but time to eat. What time is it? It is 8:44 in the morning. I have been obsessed with yogurt bowls, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is like the yogurt bowl I've been having. I put yogurt, protein powder, like a little bit of vanilla for added protein, and some nut butter, and then I always get some fruits. I like berries, so I'm doing some strawberries and raspberries, and then I'm so excited. I am obsessed with raw cacao nibs, and I just got these in from IHerb. They are so yummy. I'm gonna sprinkle these on the top. They had like a nice little crunch. They are just honestly delicious. So this is the finished breakfast bowl. Wait, you can literally hear the birds chirping. Ah, so cute. So we got the strawberries, raspberries, our protein, vanilla, nut butter yogurt, and delicious cacao nibs. Yum. Guys, look. Oh, so good. All right, so it is time to show you my IHerb order. You guys know I have been a fan of IHerb. Oh, I've been using them for probably 7 years. So when they reached out to sponsor, I was like, hell yeah, I use you all the time. So as you guys know, I got these organic raw cacao nibs that I use for breakfast. What I love, I'm gonna show you guys all the essentials because you can get all of like the things that you guys see me use in videos. A lot of the stuff I use is already on IHerb, plus they have over 30,000 products. They've got beauty, like supplements, grocery, bed, like bath, pet, household, all of that kind of stuff. So we'll start with food. I did get some of the MaraNatha raw almond butter. You guys know I use almond butter a lot, whether it is in baking, on toast, on things. And this is clean ingredients, so I got that. I got organic creamed coconut. This is unsweetened. This is really good to use in like stews, not stews, like soups, stews, like curries. I mix a little bit of this with some tomato sauce to make a little creamy pasta sauce. Really easy. And again, also gets delivered to your door. We're all a big fan of that. It is easy. They also have their own brand of products in-house. This is one of them, is their organic extra virgin coconut oil, cold pressed. No hexane, no pesticides, which is super important. So this is the IHerb brand, one of their home brands. And you guys know coconut oil in baking. I use it all the time, so it's one of my staples. Also, almond flour. They have the Bob's Red Mill Superfine Almond Flour, again, a staple. I also get like supplements on there as well, because you can get some of their like wellness and supplements in there. So I got the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. Love this stuff. It a ride or die for years. So I love that like they literally have major brands on there. Vital Proteins, Bob's Red Mill, you know, they have almond butter, and then they have their house brand with all of their fantastic things. They also have a money back guarantee. So like if you didn't like anything, you could get your money back, but honestly, I never had to. I did get some macadamia nuts. I love macadamia nuts, and I go through phases where like I forget about them for a while, and then I got them, but I saw them and I was like, so I got some raw macadamia nuts unsalted, and you know, the vision I had, I was like, as I was checking, I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make macadamia nut cookies. So we're gonna make that after this, because we got our macadamia nuts, we got our almond flour, coconut oil, almond butter, we got most of the ingredients already. And then I wanted to show you a couple wellness beauty stuff that I get from them. First off is this Giovanni Repairing Intensive Mask. Ooh, sorry, the sun is setting, so you can like see when the sun goes out. I have been using this hair mask for a while, and you can get it on IHerb. It's natural, it's good for you, for your hair. Like, there's no weird chemicals, so it's like not toxic. Love, love, love this stuff. It's been a repurchase, and it's nice because it doesn't weigh your hair down, so I love that one. And also they have one of my favorite skincare brands that's quite affordable, IHerb. So this is the incredibly clear charcoal lemonade mask. They also have a bunch of their other masks. So I'm actually gonna do this mask tonight, so you guys will see that later. But, well, let's go ahead and make some macadamia nut cookies. All right, so we got our almond flour, macadamia nuts, almond butter, coconut oil, some arrowroot flour, some dairy-free chips, some monk fruit, but you can also use coconut sugar, and some vanilla. So now that our cookie dough is ready, we are going to chill the dough for at least an hour, or you can chill it overnight, and we will bake our cookies. And actually, while that dough is chilling, I'm gonna go ahead and make lunch. What am I gonna have? What time is it? It's 1:20. I'm gonna have like a chicken, I think like a Greek type bowl, put some vegan feta, some olives, cucumber, tomato, fresh, yummy, sunny day. I feel like a salad for a sunny day. Well, let's go ahead. So we have the finished lunch bowl: chicken, olives, vegan feta, tomato, cucumber, some fresh parsley, roasted zucchini, and spring mix. So yum. So the cookies are baked, they are out of the oven, they're delicious. I'll leave all the links for the ingredients from IHerb down below. They're soft, they are yummy white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Oh man, it has been a busy day. Hey boo boo, has it been busy? Yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm very like tapped out. You know when you just have the days you're like, okay, tapped out for the day. We are gonna make dinner. I am making cauliflower, salmon, and avocado. Let's grab everything from the fridge. We got our salmon. Oh, we got, no, that was avocado. We got salmon. And we're gonna roast some cauliflower. Simple, I haven't had salmon in a while. It's such a good fatty fish, full of omega-3s, protein, yumminess. Let's get the cauliflower in the oven and let's get everything cooking. So this is the finished dinner. We have the roasted cauliflower, half of an avocado, and our seared salmon. So I just put the charcoal mask, where did I put it? On from IHerb, the one from IHerb, the incredibly clear charcoal lemonade. We're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. It looks so good. We are done, the face mask is off. We are all glowy. Thank you for watching this What I Eat in a Day. I'm gonna link all of the IHerb products down below, and thanks again to IHerb for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love healthy stuff to my door, so check it out. They ship to tons of different countries as well. So all of that will be in the description box below. Don't not forget to follow me on Instagram to get lots more healthy living inspiration, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.